Hello foodie friends, and welcome back to another exciting video. From the title of this video, you know that today I am going to be walking you through how to make some delicious chocolate cupcakes, and the best part is they're vegan. Also, make sure you watch the entire video because later on I am going to be announcing a huge giveaway that you would want to be a part of, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Nicole and I love to make easy to follow recipes, so if that's your thing, hit that subscribe button. Now, if you are back to my channel, just know that I love you and thank you so much for all the support, and I truly hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Also, I love reading all of your comments down below, so leave me a comment down below and let me know how your day is going. So, how are you guys liking the recipe so far? I hope it's been easy to follow, but now I am here and I'm going to walk you through the rest of this delicious recipe. Oh, look at that. Look at how perfect and fudgy that looks. Just a little note that you'll notice that your cupcake batter is a little bit lumpy, but don't worry about that. That is how it should be. That is completely normal. And now I'm just scooping the batter into my cupcake liners, and this recipe yields 24 cupcakes. Now we are just going to throw these cupcakes into the oven and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. So the first ingredient we're going to need for our vegan chocolate buttercream is of course vegan butter, and I'm using the Earth Balance brand. If you're curious, I am using the Earth's own chocolate oat milk, but feel free to use any non-dairy milk of your choice. Then we are going to add in our cocoa powder and continue mixing. Now it's time to add in our powdered sugar, and if you are familiar with the powdered sugar cloud of death, make sure you add in your powdered sugar a little bit at a time and continue mixing until it gets incorporated into your buttercream, and then add in the next batch of sugar. Trust me, this is going to save you a ton of cleanup time and it won't ruin your clothes. Now continue mixing until you can no longer see any more powdered sugar in the bowl. Because our buttercream isn't made with a full fat butter, what we're going to do is we're going to have to chill this buttercream until it solidifies a little bit. So this is what our cupcake should look like out of the oven. How beautiful. Now for the best part of making cupcakes, it is time to ice these bad boys. In today's video, I am using a Wilton 2D tip. So now I am just scooping the buttercream into my piping bag, and you'll notice that the buttercream isn't as liquidy as it was when we were mixing it earlier, so this is exactly what it should look like so we can ice the cupcakes perfectly. It is giveaway time, folks. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, check out my Instagram at Nicole Charmaine, and you will receive the chance to win a box of Noms Energy Bites. They are amazing. They are vegan, organic, gluten-free, no refined sugar added, and I kid you not, they are the perfect guilt-free snack. So this hazelnut energy bite that I'm holding in my hand right now, honest to God, tastes like a Ferrero Rocher, but without the guilt. So the box that you will be winning is worth over $30 US. So again, for the details, check out my Instagram. And good luck to all of you. In light of this giveaway, I thought it would be perfect if we use the Noms Energy Bites as our cupcake toppers today. They are so rich and decadent and of course vegan, so it'll totally complete this vegan cupcake. once all of our cupcakes have been topped, they are pretty much done. The only thing left to do is take a giant bite out of them and enjoy them. The cupcakes turned out super rich and moist and decadent, so it tastes like true indulgence. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more recipe videos from me. Also, check out some of my other recipe videos where I make some super yummy stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.